Do you want to meet more great people and actually enjoy dating? Here are 2 quick power habits that work together like magic. First, always remember his name. A person's name is the sweetest sound to their ears. If you remember his name and use it, you'll instantly stand out. So here's the trick. Make a weird visual connection. If his name's Bill, imagine a duck bill on his face. Greg, picture an egg cracking over his head. Jeffrey, picture him as a referee tossing a flag in the air. It's bizarre, I know, but it really works. Then make sure you review the names the next day and then again on day 3. Soon, remembering names becomes automatic. And here is my second quick tip. Use the power of networking. This isn't just about asking friends to set you up. Real networking is about helping others connect as well. So if you met Bill, why not introduce him to your friend Nancy? Make connections and ask nothing in return. It changes your mindset. You become bold, magnetic, outgoing. And guess what? People will remember you. They will talk about you. They'll introduce you to others. And suddenly, you're meeting more amazing men. So, remember names, connect people, and watch your dating life transform. This video is a short one, but hopefully it gave you a fresh perspective, and please take a moment to like and subscribe. It may seem small, but it really makes a huge difference.